So, this next series of questions is about helping you think about who your kids are and how you want to feel as a family day to day and through the changing seasons of your homeschool journey. So, number one, what makes you feel most connected as a family? Number two, on your best days as a family, what does life look and feel like? Number three, what do you hope others will feel when they spend time with your family? And number four, when your kids become adults, what would make you feel like you succeeded as a parent? And I promise these are the last questions that you're going to have to answer. So give this some good deep thought as well, but you don't have to write a lot. Write down the first thing that comes to mind. Don't overthink it. And just again, you're going to pause the video in a few minutes and write down a few notes that answer each of these questions. And just to inspire you, I've created a few little slides here to give you some ideas. So, the things that make you feel connected or things that you might enjoy as a family: shared meals, family traditions or rituals, open and honest conversations, working on projects together, celebrating milestones and achievements, spending time outdoors together, playing games or doing hobbies as a group, practicing gratitude as a family, helping each other with challenges, regular one on one time between parent and child. And again, just think about the things that mean a lot to you as a family. Some of those sort of regular rhythms, the things that make you feel connected. It might be music, it might be reading together, or going camping, or doing projects, cooking together. There's so many things that when you close your eyes and think about your family, or flip through some photos on your phone, I'm sure it will not be hard for you to come up with a little list of ideas around this. And then some of the feelings that you might want to experience or want to inspire others to experience: joy, peace, love, gratitude, hope, excitement, curiosity, wonder, contentment, trust. Close your eyes even while I'm reading these to you and see which ones kind of connect with your why. Belonging, confidence, inspiration, freedom, playfulness, connection, compassion, safety, comfort, relaxed. So feel free to kind of go back and forth through the presentation slides, but I've put the questions up here again. And just hit pause now and take whatever time you need and just jot down some answers to these questions. And then we're already halfway through.